Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today we're going to learn how to peel a ripe plantain without a knife. It's very easy, and if you're ready, let's go. And so to begin, you're going to take your plantain, poke a hole on the side of the plantain with your thumbnail. Slide your fingers across. Make sure your fingers are underneath the plantain just like in the video. Gently hold the plantain on one side with one hand and then also continue sliding the other finger back and forth to separate the plantain from the peel. Once you've done that, raise the whole plantain and separate it from the peel. That is it. We're going to do it again. So poke a hole, slide fingers back and forth to separate the plantain from the peel, and once you're sure everything is up, raise the plantain, and there you have it. Thanks for watching.